Welcome to video 4 of section 2, Basic Plotting and Visualization. In the previous videos, we learned how to first import spatial data and had an idea of interacting with some of them. In this video, we will start with the shapefiles that we obtained and do some basic plotting with the functionalities in both QGIS and R. One of the examples that you'll be generating in this video is this one, plotted with the base R plot function. Let's first start with QGIS environment. So let's drag our objects to the environment. Let's first have the bikeways layer, followed by parks, and Vancouver boundary polygon. So we can first rearrange these layers and place the ones that we want at the bottom as the last order of the layers. And let's first enlarge the park's dots by right-clicking the layer and select Properties. Let's give it a green color and maybe upsize it a little bit. Click OK. Next, we'll give the bikeways a dashed line appearance. Same selection of properties, thicker boundary. There. And for Vancouver, we have more fill options because it's a shape. We can first just have a monochromatic fill, but if we want to customize it further, we can select different fill styles. Let's choose a shape burst here. I'll actually have the first color as transparent, followed by the green. If you choose apply, you can get a preview of it. I'm going to actually have just this pale and white transition as the boundary of the polygon. So I'll choose set distance. And now I'm happy with my result. Let's go into R. So first expand video 4 from your script, read in the 2 packages as usual, and load in the 3 shapefiles. We will first plot the Vancouver boundary layer. So the R has this built-in function that does not require any packages from base R, and we can simply call plot. And here it plots out all the columns that are available in this layer. We can integrate the plot function with the ST geometry option. Let's do it for bikeways. We'll set the colors to a dark gray. You can use the hex color that's compatible with HTML websites. Line type of 6. This is available from the rplot documentation. So if you just Google line type examples, you'll find more options here. And let's name our plot Vancouver bikeways. Let's take a look at the coordinate reference system of bikeways and parks layers. We'll do so by using the stcrs function. Run both lines. So we can see the coordinate reference systems are different. And if we want to overlay Vancouver parks on top of bikeways, we'll have to make sure the CRS for both are consistent. So let's do a little bit of conversion here. And now we'll plot parks on top of bikeways by specifying add equals true in the plot argument, point shape of 21 and green color. There is our plot. So now that we know how to plot basic graphs using the functionalities in QGIS and R, in the next video, we will learn to both export these graphs and the shapefiles that we created in both environments.